suffocating. I'm waiting and always hesitating. Kryptonite desire set my heart afire. Heart on fire. Set my heart afire.
Hey guys, welcome to today's episode. It's been almost a month since the first drift event of this year. Today we're very excited because we get back to where I started about 2 years ago in Stockton 99. As you guys can see from the earlier of this video, actually like that's the place I make my first drift in there. So after already 2 years, I get back to the same place with the same car, a little bit different like here and there, but mostly it's the same car. And then today, so before I actually drifted, I noticed there was a little bit issues from the front of the welding point is actually like take off from the current car. That worries me a little. But it seems like it has been a while like that. Friends told me that you probably have some caster changes while in drifting. But as long as the car holds up and running, I'm just keep sanding it rather than like make it perfect, because most of the important, I always care about this. Like seat time is the most important thing. So from the last video, maybe you guys can notice is I spend most of the day actually doing as a lead car rather than following, because I want to use enough time to warm it up first, because I haven't been drifting over the last half years, so I want to play safe and go slowly. So this one, which is the second event of this year, so I decided to start trying some follow runs. Even though I'm still very beginner, but I do learn a lot and grow a lot from this event. Even though there was not much runs that day, I've been trying to stay closer from what I have learned throughout the gameplay in my simulation, and trying to holding with steering angle rather than, because I don't know how to left foot braking yet. I probably can only use foot brake and gas and probably some of the hand braking in order to keep closer. But mostly I'm gonna be playing safe and stay close as much as I could. But actually the result turns out pretty good. I really enjoyed it. I really feel accomplished by the end of the day, because my friends trusted me, won't make me following them. And also we do like 4-car tandeming most of the time that day. It's pretty sick. Like I can be the follow car at the same time I'm also the lead car. So I have to be staying with my line, try to not do like something creepy or spin out, like so that I don't need to impact the other car and put other car behind me to the risk. So there was some photos shooting from. He's also a driver. He is also photography while he's not driving that day. His name is Tommy. Really sick photos. And then we also have some behind the car angle, just as this one. I try to combine together, which is really sick. Like looking at like a middle car from the 4-car tandem. So here we go. There was a drone shot that day. The drone pilot is Austin. His Instagram is Slide Chaser, which is, you can tell from his name, he's a pro drifting drone pilot. So very good shots from the tandem run with me and Francis. Big shout out to him. Thank you so much for putting so much effort and sharing those videos with us. I'm enjoying this video again and again, and yeah, it's such a very new, like, excited angle when you have your car, when you're able to see your car from the drone, and emotion too, right? So very excited. And the last one is actually my best, I would say it's the best, the car running. I've been able to keep a very wide line and stay closer to the clip point, so that the follow car actually easier to follow, I would say. And yeah, we put on a good show that day by the end. So it's a very short day, but I have very blast because we have some new friends. Where I have been able to do a lot of photo runs, and I've accomplished a lot. Like, I would say it's the best so far following run I have been made, and I'm looking forward to doing more in the future of this year. So thank you for you guys for watching, and I will see you guys on the next one.
This bittersweet heat is suffocating my heart.